Welcome everybody. Carole's here in our art room again tonight. I'm going to do a round 12-inch canvas bloom. And I think I'm going to blow it with my hair dryer. And yeah, so there's my pillow. It's Glidden Essentials mixed with some Beautitone. Glidden Essentials is thin, too thin, so I don't think I'll be buying it again, but I have to thicken it up with my Beautitone, so that's what I'm doing to use it up, to mix the two together. Anywho, I think I might need a bit more. All right, so I've got some really nice colors tonight. I have a Prussian blue, which I did run out of my other brand, which was Winsor Newton. So I had to order some new, and then I went through my paints and I found a Liquitex heavy-bodied Prussian blue. One of my older paints, so it's probably good to use it up. These probably have a lot of air bubbles in them. I mixed them this afternoon. I just thinned them down again, so always. Just remember if you do tiles or small ones, and then you go to a big one, you got to remember to make your paint color puddle bigger. Because if you don't, you'll just have a little wee thing in the middle, and it won't spread for you. It won't get to the edges of the canvas is what I'm trying to say. So there's my Prussian blue. And I have silver, and this is Deco Art. I think I need to thin it a bit more. This is Deco Art Extreme Sheen. Sterling Silver. I don't think I've ever used this one before. I find my paints are pretty thick. Just hope this works okay. I hope these seem to be pretty close to my pillow. They can't be thicker than the pillow. You don't want them to be. Okay. All right. And then I have ultramarine blue basics. I'm using some of my basics and Artist Love paints tonight. I'm trying to, because they've been sitting there not doing anything. And I'm like, why am I not using my basics? So I'm giving the, mixed up a bunch today. Just ultramarine blue. This is a transparent paint. There's not many blues that are transparent. This one and I think there's a phthalo that might be. And I have a Brilliant Red by Artist Loft. That's 4 colors. I think I'm going to take a torch to it. Okay. Okay, so get my cell activator on here. This is Bix 3-to-1. Oh, I went a little hard there. Whoa. That's a little weird there. I'm going to try and blow the center. That didn't do much. Oh well. Wow, lots of cells. I see it. The silver. Silver, 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 silver. Guess that's kind of some silver there. It's really pretty. Too many air bubbles tonight. Okay, let's spin this. Try and keep my area clean. Let's spin this. I'm going to tip it this way a bit. There's a lot of paint on there. I'm going to go this way now. I think I'm going to tip it this way. Where did those middle ones come from? Whoa. I wanted to tip that part off there. I can do that. All right, I'm going to tip it back because it's gorgeous. Think I've done it enough or what? I think that's good. That's coming nicely. That's gorgeous there. Whoa, I love it. The silver looks so pretty there. Oh. I need to get my box for these big ones, I guess. Anyway, I'll see if I can zoom you in a bit more. Take the glove off. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, I wish I had some more rounds. That's my last one. I'm gonna get this white one out. Beautiful. Thanks for coming by for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. Come back to Carole's art room for more awesomeness. I just can't get over these blooms. I love them, love them, love them. Looks like a lightning through there. Oh, have a great day, and yeah, come back again. I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned for the dried results. There you go. Have a good day. Welcome back. Here's the dried result of my gorgeous hairdryer bloom. It's drying really nicely. The middle is still a little wet. It's been, did I do it yesterday or the day and a half it's been, so probably by tomorrow it'll be dry. It's gorgeous. It's drying really good, nice and smooth. It's absolutely beautiful. Can't wait to do more like this. I've got to get some more rounds. Cool. Love it. Thanks for coming by and have a great day. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.